Out hunting the wild asparagus. It was grown in this area, so it's all over. This is one of my favorite little areas. This is a little ditch area, waterway with it growing down through there. It gets plenty of water, as you can see. It's out of the wind and it's in the sun on this one side here. And as you can see, it grows all over. And it's delicious. This is some of what I've gathered so far. I'm getting ready to go on a camping adventure, and this is going to be wonderful to treat some of my very special friends with while I'm camping. I'll indulge in some morel mushrooms and some wild hand-picked asparagus. Oh, delicious. Mother Nature's best. If you know where to look, and you know what you're doing and what you're picking, there's a bounty out there for all of us. Get outside, explore, take adventures, and find these wonders out there for everybody. Happy hunting, everyone.